should have your hands in the air for this, hands in the air for this, hands in the hands in the hands in the air. I had none at all. Wanted 10 cribs, wanted 4 cars, wanted more ice, wanted more grills. Set it in stone, told myself life better damn gear. Before I get ghosts and it get real. When the best sent, bet it on slim, manifest twice. I had nothing left, ain't do nothing right, but when all in, loaded up dice, know I'm gon' win, work it out later. When the odds lean, back in my favor, ain't no taking back wages, pay it up full with a paper. Running, 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 running after that, running after that, running, running, running after that. What a come is it? Running, running, running after that. What a come is it? Running, running, running after that. I'm at the mile spot. It take blood, it take sweat, it take time. I won't stop. I'm in mode. I'm on go. I'm gon' die for my spot. I won't move. I won't shake. I won't drop for my spot. Been too long, been too strong. I won't bend, I won't break for my spot. Your hands in the air for this, hands in the air for this, hands in the air for this, hands in the. You should have your hands in the air for this, hands in the air for this, hands in the hands in the hands in the air for this.
Stood tall with my back against the wall. 10 toes down, they expected me to fall. Didn't see a soul when I sacrificed it all. Where they at now, cause I can see it when I ball. I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in. I got dependents who depend on me to win. Bet on myself so I just double up again. I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in. To know my losses and the lessons for my kids. No looking back, no turning back, I'm locked in. They used to laugh right in my face, so I up and did the race. Ran it at my own pace, now I'm up to bigger things. What I'm saying? Bigger house, bigger car, bigger jewels. You can never run a one who never tries to one up you. In my own league, let's see what it do. I do my own thing, straight G coming through. Put me in, coach. Yeah, put me in the game. When it comes to epidemic, I'm LeBron James. Franchise player with a franchise name. Yeah, my name ring bells like a cow's chain. Holy moly, hot dang, look how times change. Think it's time to catch a flight and make the times change. Might go out west, moving backwards, maybe I should head out east. See the future in my hands, I bet on me. Still got work, I get to work and hit the streets. Don't lace no shoes, I strap my boots and belt my jeans. I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in. I got dependents who depend on me to win. Bet on myself so I just double up again. I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in. To know my losses and the lessons for my kids. No looking back, no turning back, I'm locked in. Said I look good, thank you, I've been in the gym. Hit the tread, hit the bike, hit the court, hit the bench. Every issue, every inch, I swear I never flinch. I was humble with the best, now I deserve to win. Give me some. In the tub, typing like I'm Rev Run. I got my one, so I don't need a new one. She says she loves it when I switch and put the boots on. These damn posts, baby, only do the new ones. I'm going in, I'm going in. I got dependents who depend on me to win.
Good morning,
Bet on myself,
everyone.
so I just double up again. I'm going in.
What's good? What's good?
was good, bye. Morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a good London session, Asia session. Oh, thank you, Pablo. See if we have news today. Okay, so we have PMI. ADP didn't really do anything. If ADP didn't really do anything, I doubt if PMI is going to do something. We'll see. We shall see. So right now, if we take a, this is the 15-minute time frame right now, guys. So if we take a look at this high at 4262.5, and we can see that this high, we're looking at this range. This high created this low, we went back up, rejected the highs supply. It was a 5-minute supply that we rejected. Now we came down to 4225.0 and we created a low, meaning this high failed to come down to break this low, and this low, the buyers from this low are still in charge here, and this low in return has now taken out the high that actually created it. Even though we have these highs over here to the left, that is fine, but we do have a BOS here, meaning this buyers they got control back at 4225.0. Now we've created this high here, meaning I will be looking at least around this 30-minute demand for possible buys as of right now. So we will see what happens once if we do get to this 30-minute demand. If we are in the trade before NYSE opens, that will be fine as well. But for now, I will be expecting that we come back to this 30-minute demand, at least right now. Go to the previous daily candle high. I do think this, yeah, this music is too loud. Okay, this is better.
What a drop. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I didn't trust taking it off the rip.
Yeah. Me either.
That's I thought about shorting it from here because it was it's a big supply from Monday. Had it drawn out since Monday, but with that bullish momentum, I needed to see I need to see more to sell it, but yeah, it's just dropped.
Especially after it closed above the previous weekly candle high.
It's crazy. Wow, wow, wow.
Hey, Rodrigo, how you doing? Oh, good. Waiting for a good opportunity. Yeah, that's good. Are we looking for longs? As of right now, yes. As of right now, if we go all the way back up and reject this 30-minute supply again, I'll be looking to take sales.
Yeah. In there like swimwear, that would be a great sell.
Yeah. We do have a 5
You can see on
minute.
this
We do have a 5-minute supply here. However, as of right now, I am not interested in this 5-minute supply because it has not broken a low just yet. So it is not that strong. We do have volume on both of these candles. However, when it comes to a valid and good supply in my books, it has to break a low, and it has not broken a low just yet. And which low does this have to break? At least this one right here at 42.47.8. You can see we created a support here, and we broke above this minor high right here. So we'll see what happens there. If that happens, if we break and close below this low at the 5-minute time frame, then I'll use this 5-minute supply. But for now, we are going to have to go back and retest this 30-minute supply and possibly look for a short entry. What were you trying to say, Brian?
Sorry, yeah, it's you could see on this candle all the there was a huge spike in buying. There's thousands of buyers trying to get in the market, and they just all got wiped out.
Oh yeah, that top week.
Yeah, hence such the violent drop. And if you missed it, I wasn't at my desk, but in this area here, that area there, all of the sellers from that big move down,
I think your internet is not
closed out their
strong.
position.
I think your internet
So you
is
could
not strong
see
today.
all of the sellers sort of taking their profit. So my internet is not strong, but my spirit is.
Because your voice, it's affecting your voice.
Sorry.
Or maybe it's Zoom, or maybe it's my internet. And those of you on YouTube, watching on YouTube, is YouTube lagging? Actually, let me see if I got a strong connection on YouTube. Anyway, I see you open in 23 minutes. All good. All right. Thank you, Rodrigo. Oh, Pablo, I was gonna tell you, the trailing drawdown on Take Profit Trader once you pass the evaluation is actually not bad. And once you get to $2,000, but if it's a 50K account, once you get to $2,000, it stops trailing. And once you get to 2K, you can request a payout if you want. And from there, we can request daily payouts once you uh, get to $2,000 and you request your first payout. You can request daily payouts every day if you want. So trailing drawdown is actually not bad at all. And it's only on the Pro account. Once you get to the Pro Plus account, which is pretty much the live account, then it's not trailing drawdown anymore. It's end of day drawdown. Absolutely, absolutely better than Apex trailing drawdown. Nope, no consistency. Nope. What's the name of the company? Take Profit Trader. That's what you see on the screen on YouTube. I actually need to update this banner that I have on YouTube because they're no longer doing the 40% off now. It's 30% off plus you get your money back once you pass the evaluation. That's the promotion they're running now. Don't know when that's going to end, but for now, that's the promotion they're running. So I'm gonna have that new banner on YouTube on next stream tomorrow. Can't change it now. I gotta look for it. So NYSC opens in 9 minutes. We top step in 25. I might look at it in 2026. Okay. I think I'm gonna get it 25 account too. Probably it's December, so just wait till January. I got top step and Take Profit Trader. Top step might need to freaking bring back Trader and Ninja Trader because sometimes Project X be having issues. With FTMO and Audacity, I want Take Profit. Oh, take note that Take Profit Trader is not Forex, it's futures. FTMO and Audacity, they are Forex prop firms. How you can play futures too? You said play. Yes, you can. Man, Audacity, they've been around for a long time. And that's the people that probably never heard of Audacity before. But they've been around. Man, excuse my language. They've been around Come to think of it, it might actually have been around before FTMO. FTMO started in 2016. Or is it 2015? I don't know. Maybe they started the same year, but Audacity they have been around for a very, very, very long time. 11 to 12 years. Yeah. It's 11 to 12 years. And my math is bad. Okay. Can't do the calculation in my head right now. Hey, Atuvia, how you doing? NYSC opens in 5 minutes. See what they do. We do have a 5-minute demand here, so it's understandable that they will try to push it up from here. But are they going to break this high? As of right now, I don't see that happening just yet.
How's my connection? Any better?
Yeah, yep, it's better now.
Ah, that's good. That's good. Sorry about that.
No, it's good. What's my focus analysis of gold today? Now, I don't usually have a bias because my bias could be, for example, today could say, okay, I'm looking for buys today, but the market will be like, nope, I'm not buying, I am selling. And that is because I'm a day trader. I'm not swinging. I'm not leaving my trades to run for few days. I'm not an intraday trader. I'm simply a day trader. So because of that reason, I do not have a bias. I will simply just look at the market and be like, okay, if we get to this level, I will look to buy. If we get to this level, I will look to sell, just like what I explained today. Like if we should come down to this demand, I will one of this demand the 30 or the 1 hour. Let me move this down. So, or the 1 hour demand below, I will look to buy. And if we should go back to this supply here, I would look to sell. Because if we can retest this supply and reject and we take a sell, I'll be expecting this to come back down to at least this 1 hour demand here. Because what will happen is that once we created this low, pretty much London low at 42.25, and London low is the low that created this high. Now London low now created this low minor low here. We went back up. London low could not break the high that it created. So for that reason, if we reject, I will be expecting it to come all the way back down to this 1 hour demand at least, because London low could not break its own high. So if it cannot break its own high, then we should come all the way down to this 1 hour demand at least, or even this 30-minute demand might hold. But I would say just like yesterday. So I would expect it that it comes all the way down to the 1 hour demand, and then we could start working our way back up, because this low right here actually have a break of structure, and this rejection we had here to the left of the 5-minute supply. The sell we took during Asia session. Now that could not break a low. So for that reason, this at least 1 hour demand for buys. So I hope that makes sense. I don't usually have a bias. Now, if I'm a swing trader or an intraday trader, I have to follow structure. There is no what's the word I'm looking for? There'll be no taking, oh, let me take a quick buy over here and get out, or let me take a quick short-term sell here and get out. No, I won't be doing all that. But I'm a day trader. I'm looking to get in, get what I can get, and be out of the market. So I don't usually have a bias. That is one of the benefits of being a day trader. It is easier to take a counter trend trade on the lower time frame if you know what you're doing. And if you understand that, oh, okay, this position I'm taking a counter trend trade, then I do not need to leave my trade running for a few days or for a few weeks, because if you do that, you might end up losing money, even though you're in profit before. You can also swing on the lower time frame. It gives you that earlier entry, but you have to make sure that you are following the higher time frame structure, higher time frame momentum. You have to make sure you're doing that. For example, the sell we took just during Asia session, just imagine if I had just let it run, like, oh, okay, I'm gonna just let this run and keep running and keep running. I would just wake up and then I would have taken a loss, even though this thing dropped. It dropped 350 ticks or 350 pips if you trade Forex. You can imagine. Gold is still bullish overall. Lower time frame, different. Damn, NYC is open. I was talking, I didn't pay attention.
NYC open look like they want to get it a bit higher, maybe short.
Yep.
Advertised price higher.
Got a 5-minute supply here as well. I would prefer to get back to the 30-minute supply. But we'll see what happens from here. I am going to delete this demand here. Leave the 1 hour. Okay, there we go. We tap that supply. See what happens.
Wow. Okay, NY, calm down.
Order working. Stop filled. Order working.
I don't know if it's me, King, but I don't know if you're muted.
Dude, I am muted. I was muted. Damn, apologies. Is everyone in though?
Order filled.
See if I can. I could have used 100. Okay. Well, we know it's a win. Yes, I do go. That's the spirit. That's the type of spirit we need. All right, that is 50%. You know what to do if that's what you're looking for. That's at least 60 ticks. Now we'll see if we can get this 1-to-1. I do feel like I could have used 100 ticks for the stop loss here, but that rejection happened so fast. I didn't have enough time to really calculate the 100 ticks. Yeah. This kind of closes in 30 seconds. Can get one more aggressive candle. One more aggressive candle breaking this low. You're welcome, Rodugo. I'm guessing you took partials already. On FTX. So 100 ticks is it just smashed 100 ticks. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on. I smashed 100 ticks. Damn. Actually, I got what I need for this account here.
Order cancelled.
I got what I need for this account here. Don't worry, guys. I am still in one account. I'm still in. Don't worry. I just got what I needed for that account to take a payout. So we'll see what happens with this account here. Now I can request a payout from Take Profit Trader. Oh, and remember, you don't have to always wait for 1-to-1 where we take a position. If you don't have the If you don't have the patience, if you don't have the courage to wait for one-to-one, that is fine. But for me personally, this is how I trade. I need at least one-to-one, or I take some partials. I really wanted to use 100 ticks here for two reasons. Number one reason is because of this low here. The second reason is because of the news coming up in 12 minutes. And actually this one here, I got in late at...
Order cancelled.
There we go. One-to-one smash. Congratulations, everyone. So I think this should be 0.4 right there. If you took this trade, spam W's in the chat. Spam W's in the chat. Let's go. Good job, everyone. I'm gonna move my stops to 1 tick below entry here. Is it point? Oh yeah, it's 0.4 on this account here. So it's gonna be 4265.3. That is where I'm moving my entry to. Let's go, gold. Make us some money, baby. So that would be dream trades. Hi, how you doing over there with your new funded account? Wait, is Spy still here? Atovia, you see what I was talking about earlier as a day trader. Even though gold is bullish overall, but we took according to the higher time frame, the sell we took is absolutely a counter trend trade. But the daily time frame is still bearish, and the setup that we had was for a possible sell. And with my experience, even here on the lower time frame, this trade should be a pullback trade. I do not think we should break pretty much below this London low, meaning this 1 hour demand could hold, or we could come down to this 15-minute demand right here, and we hold there. So, and this 30-minute demand that we had drawn out earlier, because of this rejection here at this supply, and it's also a previous daily candle high that we rejected, I do not see this 30-minute demand holding. We should just come back down all the way down to the lows. That is what I see here. And I am going to close out of my position on this account as well.
Order cancelled.
Because I just passed that account too. But we can leave all this running for those of you that are still in. I don't need to have it on. I'm still in another account, but it's not a TraderVate account. It's Project X, so we will just leave this on here. So good job, everyone. Good job. Just look at that. We are in and out of trades before the news. Wait, did Pi leave? Yeah, crazy week. Yeah, it's been a good week. Today is what, Wednesday? So we got Asia session tonight, and then we got Asia session tonight, New York tomorrow, then Asia session the 3, and then we got New York on Friday. So we still got like 4 possible trades that we could take if we pretty much have it set up stuff in New York and Asia, New York and Asia. But one thing I will say though, Asia session this week has been, I don't know, the volume has not been there. The volume has been coming late Asia session, but it has been good for us, so we can't complain. Come on, do it. Here we go. There we go. Congratulations, everyone. If you took this trade, spam W's again. You just got a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio on this trade. So, congratulations. Good job. Good trade, good trade, good trade. Good trade for sure. Oh, well, he's actually not here today also, but he was here yesterday. Now what do we do? What do we do now? Boys and girls, men and women, what do we do now? What do we do? Oh, you exited earlier. Okay. So now, gold is pretty much reacting to where this 30-minute demand. Okay, I do not see this 30-minute demand holding. And what I mean by I do not see this 30-minute demand holding, of course, is pretty much breaking this high. I do not see that happening. Wait, oh, did it get to the 1-hour demand? Wait. It get to the one. Now it missed the 1-hour demand. So still reacting to 30-minute demand. I do not see it holding. Now the 1-hour demand or the 15-minute demand. That could hold. And NYSE traders, they might decide to freaking break London low. But this 30-minute demand here, it's a no. I don't see it holding. All right, Pablo, see you doing Asia. YouTube, I appreciate you all. Another great win. So I will see you guys again tomorrow. And let's see if we can catch another win and keep the winning streak going. So God bless you all. I will be back tomorrow. New York session. See you guys then. Peace. I'm out. All right, YouTube, Zoom. I will see you guys later tonight for Asia session.
Wall, 10 toes down, they expected me to fall. Didn't see a soul when I sacrificed it all. Where they at now, cause I can see it when I ball. I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in. I got dependents who depend on me to win. Bet on myself, so I just double up again. I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in. To know my losses and the lessons for my kids. No looking back, no turning back, I'm locked in. They used to laugh right in my face, so I up and did the race. Ran it at my own pace, now I'm up to bigger things. What I'm saying? Bigger house, bigger car, bigger jewels. You can never run a one who never tries to one up you. In my own league, let's see what it do. I do my own thing, straight G coming through. Put me in, coach, yeah, put me in the game. When it comes to epidemic, I'm LeBron James. Franchise player with a franchise name. Yeah, my name ring bells like a cow's chain. Holy moly, hot dang, look how times change. Think it's time to catch a flight and make the times change. Might go out west, moving backwards, maybe I should head out east. See the future in my hands, I bet on me. Still got work, I get to work and hit the streets. Don't lace no shoes, I strap my boots and belt my jeans. I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in. I got dependents who depend on me to win. Bet on myself, so I just double up again. I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in. To know my losses and the lessons for my kids. No looking back, no turning back, I'm locked in. Said I look good, thank you, I've been in the gym. Hit the tread, hit the bike, hit the court, hit the bench. Every issue, every inch, I swear I never flinch. I was humble with the best, now I deserve to win. Give me some. In the tub, typing like I'm Rev Run. I got my one, so I don't need a new one. She says she loves it when I switch and put the boots on. These damn posts, baby, only do the new ones. I'm going in, I'm going in. I got dependents who depend on me to win. Bet on myself, so I just double up again. I'm going in, I'm going in. Turned all my losses into lessons for my king. No looking back, no turning